A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong it is until it's in hot water. Do one thing every day that scares you. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The purpose of life is to live it. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. To handle yourself, use your head. To handle others, use your heart. You can often change your circumstances by changing your attitude. If someone betrays you once, it's their fault. If they betray you twice, it's your fault. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Happiness is not a goal. It's a byproduct of a life well lived. Life is what you make it. Always has been, always will be. It is not fair to ask of others what you are not willing to do yourself. You have to accept whatever comes, and the only important thing is that you meet it with the best you have to give. What could we accomplish if we knew we could not fail? Friendship with oneself is all important, because without it, one cannot be friends with anyone else in the world. Never allow a person to tell you no who doesn't have the power to say yes. Never mistake knowledge for wisdom. One helps you make a living, the other helps you make a life. Work is always an antidote to depression. I believe that anyone can conquer fear by doing the things he fears to do. Remember always that you have not only the right to be an individual, you have an obligation to be one. You cannot make any useful contribution in life unless you do this. People grow through experience if they meet life honestly and courageously. This is how character is built. Light a candle instead of cursing the darkness. It's your life, but only if you make it so. A stumbling block to the pessimist is a stepping stone to the optimist. Freedom makes a huge requirement of every human being. With freedom comes responsibility. For the person who is unwilling to grow up, the person who does not want to carry his own weight, this is a frightening prospect. It takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. There is not a human being from whom we cannot learn something if we are interested enough to dig deep. Beautiful young people are accidents of nature, but beautiful old people are works of art.
Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments and continue enriching your mind.